Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be doing this video today because it has to do with my hair. I remember recently I went to work and a lot of people were wondering, like, a lot of my friends and even my coworkers, hey, like, who did your hair? And I really like your highlights. And I know a lot of people usually spend a lot of money going to like hair salons to get their hair done, and especially girls with brown hair who want blonde hair. We end up spending a lot of money. I know I did. Like, I recently went to a hair salon like near Aramingo, that's like in Philly where I live, and I spent like $150, and literally the blonde, like the ashy blonde that I wanted, only stayed in my hair for a week. So I've always been like very like DIY. Like, I like to experiment a lot. Like, I started playing with makeup when I was young, and like even when I was in high school, like people would ask me like, how did you get your hair so blonde? And people would think that I went to the hair salon, but in reality I didn't. And this is when I realized, like, I should do a video. Like, this is the main reason why I started my YouTube channel, because I remember like a lot of people would always ask me, how do you do your curls, or how do you like get your hair so straight, or how do you get the blonde in your hair? So I'm really excited to show you guys the product that I've been using, in which I think I left it in the bathroom. But I'm gonna show it to you guys. And basically it's like it's really good, and it's really cheap. It was only like $15. There goes my dog barking. So let me see. I'm really excited to show you guys. So my niece is like looking at me. She's like, what are you doing? Little does she know, I'm trying to help you guys. I'm trying to help all of my like friends that have been asking me. So this is the product that I've been using, and basically it's the L'Oreal Paris Frost and Design, the high precision pull through cap highlights for longer hair. So I know in this decade, or in the time that we live in right now, when I go to the hair salons, they're like, oh, you use box dye for your hair? And I'm like, yeah. Like, I've been using that for a while. So if you guys want to find out how I do my hair with this box, just keep watching. And it's really simple. And if you guys end up liking the final result, I really hope you guys let me know, and I hope to show you guys. So it's really exciting. My niece is currently looking at me like I'm a crazy girl. Do you want to say hello? No? Okay. Do you see me? Do I look good? Okay. So basically, I'm really excited to show you guys. I will be showing you guys how to do the mixture and everything, but for everyone at NBC 10, which is where I work, that was wondering how I got my highlights, as of right now they grew in, so you really can't see it much. It's like brown. Well, you guys are like seeing my double chin, but anyways. Yeah, this is it. I get the color H85 Champagne, and I'll give you guys a close-up a little bit better when I can. But yeah, this is what I've been using for my hair, and I will insert pictures now so you guys can see the before and the after about how I got my hair so light. Because long story short, I was blonde my whole high school years, and then I decided to go dark because winter comes and we think, oh, I don't know, that's just me. So these are all the products that the box brings. Right here to your left, this is the cream developer, which is what you're going to be putting into the container. That's right there. This is the highlighting powder. So this is actually the color, or as you can say, like the bleach. So these two are the main products. And then also with the fourth product right here with this little tube, this is actually the Frosting Protective Cream. So this is, let's see, yeah, there you go. So this actually protects your hair while it's coloring. With the fifth product that's right here, this is actually a toner. So after your hair is done, this is what you're going to, let's see if it focuses, there you go. So this is actually the color toning rinse. So this is actually what you put on your hair after you're done, and it's kind of like a bluish purple color. And I'm sure you guys know that if you have blonde hair and you use like purple shampoo or like a blue shampoo, then it'll get like into a more ashy, like a more prettier color and not orangey. And to the last product, like I said, this is the shampoo that you'll be using after. So if you want to see how I get my results using this product right here, then just keep on watching. And honestly, if you guys really do want to be blonde, this is a great product to start in, especially if you have like virgin hair and it's like to a light brown. Oh my god, you would get gorgeous results. So yeah, if you want to see how I get my hair done, just keep on watching. And again, I guess to the back of this paper, to the instructions, it tells you, you know, if you want all over highlights, if you want crown highlights, which is usually what I do, I believe, because I usually just take out the most important to frame my face, and also in the back. There you go. There you go. So now to the fun part. You're going to be using the cap that the box obviously brought. And this is the cap they're going to be using. But before you put it on your head, you're going to look a little funny. But what I wanted to say is, before you put it on your head, you're going to want to part your hair in a way that you want the highlights to fall in. I normally part it down the middle. And I typically just tend to use the wand, this little wand that it brings to actually, you know, the one you're going to be using basically to take the strands out of your hair. I like to use this. It's sharp and it's easy. You already have it. So what you're going to be doing is grabbing this and, you know, just parting your hair. So I'm going to go part it in a way that, you know, I like it in the middle. So let me just try and do this right now. As long as it's like straight, that's good enough. So what you're going to be doing is putting on the hat, and the tag is in the back, so that means it goes this way. So you're going to look a little funny, but that's okay. You want highlights? So this is the way you put on the little cap. And then what I like to do is make sure that my hair is distributed evenly so that I don't miss any like hairs. Basically what I like to do. Then you just grab the two little things and you create a little knot. And that's all. You're going to be looking a little funny, but you will highlights with a cap, right? So there you go. Alright, now tune in because you're going to watch me take strands out of my hair and hopefully see the end result. So this is what I look like so far. I have taken out all of the pieces of hair that I want to highlight. And now we're going to go upstairs and do the mixture and highlight the strands of hair that I took out. As you guys can see, I just like to focus on the top of my hair because that's where I like it to be like the most blondest and the most lightest. And in a way, it's a smart way also to highlight your hair because that way you're not damaging your whole set of hair. You're literally, you know, just focusing on the roots. And as long as, in my opinion, you focus on the roots, it looks really nice and brighter. So